Hi guys, now we are going to study multi clutch system using planetary gear system. How it is working, just I will show you. Planetary system inside an automatic transmission. You can see inside planetary system sun gear, and sun gear is connected with the planetary gear and ring gear. This one you can call ring gear, and this one is sun gear, and inside there is small gears, that is planetary gear. Three incorporated and doing many rotation speeds. I show you two speeds. I will show you. See now you can see different speeds. This outer is not this outer, this outer working slowly than this one. This is sun gear shaft, and this is planetary gear plate, and this is ring gear. See the rotation. This is much faster and this is slow rotation. And you can see now how ring gear rotating. If you hold this one, you can see ring gear rotation. See, I am holding both sides and rotating this one. See, ring gear is rotating. And you can see one more thing. I am rotating right side hand on anti-clockwise, and this outer is working clockwise, just opposite rotation. Same thing you are getting in automatic transmission reverse. In reverse time, what is happening? Just like I hold like that, planetary system is locked because of the clutch function. In a automatic transmission, 3-speed automatic transmission, there is direct clutch, forward clutch, and first and reverse clutch. For this operation is doing with first and reverse clutch. That clutch disc is forcing to this system to keep hold, so getting reverse. Otherwise it will give ordinary function. You can see small gear of planetary inside. This is planetary gears, and this is sun gear, and here you can see ring gear teeth. Actually this function in forward direction only, like way and like this way. When first and reverse clutch is applied, holding of this planetary providing this one to run reverse. And here you can see another one-way clutch system to prevent reverse direction. Always protect to move in a same direction. Okay. Transmitting from this outer ring to differential. So output is handling this ring gear. I think you know that in automatic transmission there is no clutch device, but you can see there is forward and direct clutch. For a reverse purpose, never using forward clutch, only using direct clutch. This direct clutch is providing their sun gear to activate, and that sun gear is a tubular one is attached to the inside of this sun gear, inside of the sun gear. That is what here also you are getting transmission from direct clutch. So direct clutch is activated, and this also activated means here rotation is going on. This rotation is going on means this one is going in a forward motion. But what is happening in reverse? Here is holding by clutch, forward and reverse clutch. Sorry, first and reverse clutch. First and reverse clutch is holding. What is happening? This is rotating reverse. That I already shown you. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe.